Vacuuming. We're going to go over the steps on vacuuming. Make sure floor is clear. Get vacuum cleaner. Unwind the cord. Plug cord into wall outlet. Make sure you have your parents' permission and or supervision. Turn vacuum cleaner on. Lower the handle to get the vacuum ready. If some vacuums, if you don't have to lower the handle, you might just have to turn it on and it just works automatically. Push and pull the vacuum over the floor. Turn off vacuum. Unplug a vacuum with your parents' permission and or supervision. Wind up the cord. Put your vacuum cleaner away. And those are the steps on how to vacuum. So we're going to take a lovely minute and kind of clean up our floor, and then we're going to come back with the steps on how to vacuum our demonstration style. Bye! Bye!
No.
Thank you, Harrison. You don't want to help Mommy? Alright, make sure the floor is clear. Our floor is nice and clear, so Harrison's helping me get the vacuum. We're going to push it into the room. Thank you, bud. Push. Okay. We're going to unwind the cord. Yeah. Are you going to help Mommy? Yeah. What's wrong? Yep. Then we are going to plug this in. Alright, I'm going to move the cord out of the way. Okay? I have a little lever here I have to press down to move the handle lower. Okay? If you don't have that lever, it might just be you turn it on and it just goes. Now I'm going to turn on the button. Watch out, buddy. Whoa! We're going to go push and pull. thank you for helping me. Since I am done vacuuming, I turned it off. Now I'm going to unplug it. Make sure you have your parent supervision and or permission to unplug it from the wall. Extra precaution. Now I'm going to wrap the cord back up. Usually in the back of a vacuum, there's little hooks that you can wrap around. So I'm wrapping around the top hook and also the bottom hook. Make sure the cord is nice and secure. Excuse me, bud. Thank you for helping me, though. Alright, guys, that is it. Thanks for helping me vacuum. Bye. Enjoy your day.